Good morning, Calgary! Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw dira sa inyo ha sa Canada. And karon today, we are again in New South Wales, Australia. So dito kami ngayon sa property ng brother ko. Of course, dito kami makikitulog, makikikain at makikipagpahinga habang aantayin ang ating wedding for my brother, which is to be celebrated rather in Byron Bay. So it's around 8 hours drive from Scone, New South Wales, Australia. And bago tayo pumasok sa napakagandang property ng aking kapatid, papakita ko muna sa inyo ang Tagaytay nilang setup dito. So actually the property is located in a slope. So, overlooking talaga siya doon sa town kung saan sila namamalagi, which is Scone, New South Wales, Australia. Yan, no? Ganda! And pinagyayabang ko talaga tong pavement nila lagi kasi mga feeling ko mga 9 ng kasya dito sa pavement nila And look at that. This is actually a brand new house. Ganda-ganda ng bahay niya. In a sense, 2 floors to. So, 1 floor here. And then, since pa-slope siya, fam, makikita nyo naman, may isa pang floor na yun yung more or less main floor. No? Okay. So, very good. Side there. Very good area. Kakaiba ang property. Yeah, so very maganda.
So, ito yung front nila.
Yeah, so ito yung front.
Kasi yung ibang front naman, mataas sa kanila.
Pababa. Yeah. Correct. Okay, so excited na kaming ipakita sa inyo. And of course, ang aking asawa ang magtutour sa inyo sa napakagandang property ng aking kapatid. And thank you again, Luis and Cezelle, for allowing us to do a very quick house tour para magka-idea ang ating friends and subscribers from Canada and all over the world kung ano ang mukha ng isang property dito sa Australia. So, kung curious kayo, stand and watch!
And welcome to Alba Pambang Mansion
in New South Wales, Australia. So, thank you, brother and sister, for letting us tour your new house. And beautiful house. Brand new yan. Brand new, bago.
They build this from ground. So sila ang lahat na nag-decorate or
namili
ng lahat ng kung anong meron dito sa bahay.
So kita nyo, ito, pasok tayo sa door. Yan, so pasok tayo sa door lang. And then this would be the hallway. So by the way, the property is a 5-room property with 1 converted into a music or entertainment room.
Sabi nila it's supposed to be a theater or something. Theater room, but
they decided not to kasi maliliit pa naman ang mga kids. So pagpasok, may shoe rack dito, of course. And
very wide pathway.
Siguro 1 meter, 1.5 meter. Kita niyo sa size ito na. Don't mind kasi madami kami ngayon dito at nandito ang buong Alba Fambam from the Philippines and from Canada
and
from Australia. Yeah. So on the left is the entrance to the garage. And syempre nagkaroon na rin ako ng fancy entrance kanina for the garage. It's a double garage. May fridge din sila just like ours in Canada. And
so halos bago pa rin at kakalipat nila. So, ang dami pa rin nilang sinasettle.
No, few months pa lang sila dito na.
In this house. So,
Okay. And then, on the left is here. Diba? May decoration sila dito. Then on the left would be the entertainment room. And ginawa nilang playroom ngayon ng mga kids.
So, alam nyo naman, pag may family and kids tayo, we always give them space for a playroom, which is yun yung ginawa nila sister and the brother. Kasi they have kids as well. So ito yung parang cave ng mga bata. So safe.
Ito yung isa sa pangarap namin ni Donna.
Safe room nila.
Sa Canada.
Na
magkaroon ng ganito.
Here.
Yun yung purpose kung bakit tayo gusto magka-basement. It's because of this one.
Parang gusto namin gumawa ng ganito din. Kasi maiiwan yung mga bata. Dito namin stock yung mga toys nila, hindi lang everywhere sa bahay, di ba? Alam niyo naman, pag may bata, they can put everywhere,
And
anywhere.
And before the tour, syempre nilinis muna namin to. Baka magtaka kayo, ba't ang linis? Nilinis muna namin before the house tour.
It's chaotic. Pero
Okay.
yeah.
Alright,
that's it.
so...
And of course, they do have a beautiful laundry room as well.
Yan, so... Let's see.
So it's kagaya din ng Canada. We have dryer,
And
washing machine, small bin.
Oh, actually, dalawa kasi in-explain ni brother sa akin, galing to sa previous house nila.
Yeah.
And again, last year lang din sila nag-move.
Dalawa din.
So, ayan.
So ito yung laundry room nila.
And fam, ang observation ko, medyo cutie ang dryer nila and ang washing machine
Unlike
nila.
sa atin sa Canada.
Unlike sa
mostly
atin,
malalaki.
parang pang-commercial na talaga, hindi, parang parang massive yung
And then
dryer
they have a
natin
connection sa labas kasi dun sila naghahang ng
damit
clothing.
kung gusto
Pag
nila.
mainit, ganyan. So, you don't need to use the dryer. Tipid nga naman and maaraw naman dito tsaka mainit talaga.
Then
So, we
meron
don't
din
need-
sila dito.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, gusto ko rin yung ganito, parang merong hangeran. Pero syempre nga, malamig lagi sa atin. So, we always use dryer. Yan. And they have a common toilet as well.
Yeah, so powder
So, called
room.
Powder room sa atin. So, very
Convenient.
convenient sa mga sa mga taong bibisita. And yeah. Ganda ng design nila, black and white.
Yeah.
And here, common washroom nila.
And toilet, yeah.
Meron silang
Sink,
sink,
bathtub,
the bathtub, and yung gustong-gusto ni Lawrence na standing shower.
Na standing shower. So this is a three-piece toilet.
Washroom, yeah.
No, not toilet.
Washroom.
Three-piece bathroom.
3-piece bathroom. So, ayan. Usually, malinis to. But dahil nga marami kami dito
Yes.
sa bahay today, so andito yung mga
Yeah, mga anik-anik natin
anik-anik na.
sa bakasyon.
Yep.
And yung next na room na ipapakita namin ay ang music
Music
room
room.
ng aking brother. Kasi worship leader si brother dito
Yeah.
sa church nila sa Australia. So meron talaga siyang music room.
Yep.
So he's a drummer. He can play the organ. He can play the
Guitar.
bass. He can also play the guitar. One-man band.
That's right.
Oh,
And alam niyo
yan.
naman, mahilig sa music ang Alba Pambam. Daddy is a vocalist. Justin is a guitarist. Si Luis, kaya niya mag-drums, kaya niya mag-piano, and mag-guitar din.
And ayan yung
And
anak
this
ni
is-
Luis.
this is baby Luis.
What's your name?
Sakaya.
Zekaya,
Zekaya.
Sisi. A very Bible-based name.
Yep.
Zekaya. Okay, so check natin dito. A very good room space. Very good room space. And then meron ditong closet. So syempre medyo magulo kasi parang ano lang naman siya. Spare room siya
And
sa mga bata.
gustong-gusto din ni Daddy magkaroon ganito sa bahay.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Kasi tiniteach na din niya si Davon kahit paano ng kanta, ng guitar, and piano. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so hindi na namin ipapakita yung ibang rooms kasi natutulog si mommy, natutulog si daddy, natutulog yung sister ko.
Yeah.
But again, this is a 5-room
Bedrooms, yeah.
house. Kinonvert lang yung iba into music room and then
Playroom.
playroom and all kasi 4 lang naman sila. Alright, so let's head out to our favorite spot. The kitchen and the living room. And of course, the main feature of the house.
Let's go here first.
Okay.
Let's go to the kitchen first.
Yeah.
They have a beautiful refrigerator, which I want, with the water dispenser here. And beside that is the pantry. So
Ang
we
laki.
have pantry as well in our house, pero syempre maliit lang siya. And this is, I think, very normal sa Australia and Canada, even US, that they have a pantry. Malaki. Malaki
And
yung
what's not
pantry.
normal about this pantry is supposedly it should just be up until here. Pero nag-request sila sa developer nila to extend further.
Yeah.
So,
they
nag-additional sila dyan, plus the super high ceiling. I think 12 feet to them, if I'm not mistaken. So, the whole house is actually 12 feet.
Yeah, so may mini sink din sila dito,
Then,
which is
yeah.
very useful.
So, parang ang tawag nito sa atin, Spice Kitchen sa Canada.
Which is yung meron lang is yung mga
High-end na bahay.
high-end na bahay, yung
Ayun,
mga
sobrang
malalaki.
lalaki.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, of course, you'll be captivated with the large granite or quartz countertop. Sobrang laki, sobrang ganda hanggang doon sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Sobrang laki talaga. Yan. For better visual, yan si Donna. And ganyang kalaki ang countertop ng aming brother here. And then, syempre may mga decorative light sila dito, which they also chose when they built it.
Yep.
And then what Donna likes too is this position, and this is our favorite section of the kitchen, which is the coffee maker and coffee everything. Lahat ng kailangan mo para magkape ay nandito. Then really nice.
Yeah.
Soft.
Madami din silang
Soft close cabinets. And the automatic. Yeah. And then nag-opt yung brother ko ng electric stove kasi fam, meron silang included na solar panels.
That's right.
So that's why hindi sila nagpagas. Electric lahat para ma-take advantage talaga nila yung solar
Para
panel
makasave,
nila.
at saka makasave.
And it's actually a big savings for the family as well.
Yep.
Then, yep, that's it. Let's head to the dining. So again, black and
White. Ang
white ang motif ng brother and sister ko. So, there. Quick pan. Boom.
That's the view.
Tagaytay view. Overlooking view.
So may natural light talaga sa buong bahay kasi matataas yung window. Tsaka pinaano talaga customize nila brother na glass glass door as well. So moving in this side, look, they have a high glass door which is very
Buong view talaga, fam. So, sobrang ganda. So, let's see.
So,
Okay.
pina-customize din to nila, brother. Sabi niya, dapat dito is, post. Kaso, ayaw nila namin naka-block dito. So, ito na lang pina-upgrade din nila.
Yeah.
Para
Okay,
pag binuksan
so-
tong buong door, open siya.
So, labas tayo. Okay. Yan, di ba? So, ang ganda ng view ng brother ko dito. Mga kapitbahay nandyan. Para talaga siyang Tagaytay. Overlooking siya. So, ang tawag doon, I think, ay Scone Mountain. Or yung nasa likod ang Scone Mountain. Pero, yeah, valley kasi to. Hunter Valley region ang tawag. So, pinagitnaan talaga sila ng mountains dito.
And ang laki
And
pa ng
then, ayun
background.
na yung, yeah, and then ayun na yung highway. Yeah. And then again,
And ang laki-laki pa ng backyard nila, brother. So, sabi nila, konti-konti pa nilang ito. Kasi nga, syempre, kakalipat lang din nila.
sobrang
And-
laki. Sobrang laki nito, fam.
And
Isang bahay pa.
plants pa sila dito.
Isang bahay pa yung backyard.
Correct. And then they have summer tables na pwedeng mag-gathering sila dito. Kasi ngayon nga pa fall na and winter soon. So,
Yeah.
pag hindi nila gamit, naka-cover lang para hindi siya mag-dust.
Yun. So, yan yung panoramic.
Yeah. And here is the living room.
Ooh.
Here you go. Siyempre, andito ang kiddos.
Yeah. Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Say hi, Kuya! And that's our Ate
Ate
Zia! My brother's daughter, eldest daughter. Actually, siya ang pinakamatanda sa magpipinsan.
Yep.
Si Ate Zia.
Kita mo ang buong bahay, kung nasaan man ang bata, kung anong ginagawa niyo sa kitchen, sa dining area, and sa living room. This is very ideal for us.
Yeah, and then syempre fam, since nandito yung mga kids, magulo-gulo talaga yan. Pero I bet the viewers and our subscribers understand na pag may bata, magulo talaga. So, again, nandiyan ka nakaupo sa sala. Na-imagine nyo ba? Ito ang view nyo every day and every night. The Hunter Valley region view.
My dog was there.
And that, I think, concludes our house tour. So, it's gonna be Ate Zia who's going to say bye-bye for today's video.
Yeah.
Thanks again for watching. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Andito pa ang Alba Fam Bam for at least another 1 week in Australia. So, madami
Yeah.
pa kaming masishare sa inyo na videos. Thank you, Brother Luis and Sister Cecile, for very kind on accommodating our request to be
Yeah.
able to tour your house. Siyempre,
Beautiful
proud na
house.
proud din.
Yeah.
Ako ang kuya eh. Proud na
Yeah.
proud ako sa achievement din ng brother ko here in Australia.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you also next time in Canada. Papabisita din natin sila. So, thanks for watching and please don't forget to like, share,
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
And Ate Zia will say...